Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today's video I'm going to be telling you why I stopped selling lightening products, whitening products, aka bleaching products. Make sure you watch this video right up till the end so you don't get disappointed. Okay, don't just come and watch few seconds and you leave. So let's dive right into the video. Now, this is a video of something I saw on Facebook. This is a video I saw on Facebook, and this is it I'm playing on the screen why I'm having this discussion with you. I've had a lot of people come into my inbox with cases like this. Some are even worse than this. And I've refused to sell my lightning products to them. Yes, it's funny, right? It's strange, but you're out for the money. I'm not just out for the money. I am out to make sure that I don't destroy your skin. I'm out to make sure that your skin is in a good state, honestly. Now, if somebody comes with a case like this, or even worse, I've had cases that are worse than this. And I told them, I'm not giving you Boss Lady. I'm not giving you Boss Lady Plus. Yes, I still sell lightning products. Okay? I still sell it, but it's not for everybody. It's not for you whose skin is like this. If your skin is like this, what you need is our repair soap, repair scrub, repair oil. You don't need Boss Lady. You don't need Boss Lady Plus. You don't even need the lightning lotion for beginners. You don't need it. Look at this person's skin, is very damaged. The person is struggling to apply Carolite on their skin, thinking that it's going to clear out those dark spots. No, darling. What your skin needs is a treatment, and that is what I'm going to be giving you if you come to my inbox. I'm sorry for those of you who have come and have refused to sell Boss Lady to you, because some of you people will take these creams, you go and use it, you will not get what you want, and you come and say it's my product that destroyed your skin, when it's not actually my product that destroyed your skin. But let me tell you, I sell lightening products, I sell whitening products, whatever you call them, bleaching products, because it is a choice. Okay, it is a choice. But I am here to caution you that there is no lightening product that you are going to get from anybody and use it back to back without taking breaks, without skin building, without protecting your skin from the sun, and you use it forever without having side effects. You are definitely going to have side effects, even if you buy them from me. And yes, my products don't contain hydroquinone. They don't contain steroids. I use glutathione to make my products. I use alpha butene, I use koji acid, I use licorice, I use mulberry. All these things are junior brothers to hydroquinone. Yes, they are not as dangerous as hydroquinone, but excessive use, abuse of these things will damage your skin. You might not like me after saying this, but that is the truth. I use this product on my skin, my own products I use on my skin with all these ingredients. But look at my skin. Does my skin look damaged? My skin is not damaged. And from time to time, I take breaks. Like now, I am taking a good break from the lightening products. I'm not applying lightening products on my skin now. So if you see me anywhere and I'm looking dark, yes, that is because I choose my skin's health over your opinion. Some of you don't want to use repairing products. You insist I give you whitening product, lightening products. I've had people say things like, most of them always say, I want a product that is going to repair my skin, fix my skin, correct these damages, but at the same time, I don't want to get dark. Sweetie, you're going to get dark, because there's no way you can be using a product that damaged your skin. There's no way you can be correcting damages on your skin caused by lightening products, and you want to use lightening products to correct that damage. No, you have to take a break from the lightening products. And as long as you were not born light, if you're repairing your skin, you must get dark. Let nobody deceive you. I'm going to give you a lightening product that's going to repair your skin, and then repair your skin and maintain your light skin. No, unless you are naturally born light and then you use lightening products or bleaching products to add some shades, then you are not going to go darker than you used to be originally. You might sometimes, but normally, in most cases, you might not go that dark. But otherwise, you have to use a repairing product, not a lightening product. And get ready to lose some shades. Okay? I hope I make sense. And yes, I'm still selling lightening products for fair skin, for dark skin, those who want to start lightening up their skins, but with sense and with caution. If you lighten your skin, if you get my products and you use it the way I ask you to use it, you are going to get good results. Myself, I use those products on my skin, but like I said, now I'm taking a break and I'm okay with that. So if you think that this video makes sense, please give it a thumbs up. And thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And make sure your skin doesn't get to this level. Please. if you are using lightening products on your skin now, start getting our repair soap. This is it. Everybody needs this soap, whether you're light skin, you're dark skin, everybody needs it. It helps to balance your skin and prevent some side effects of skin lightening product. Get our repair herbal oil. It is very, very powerful. This is what I recommend. Get the scrub if your skin is already damaged. You like, I don't know. That is it. If you're interested in my product, please leave a comment below and I'm going to tell you how to contact me and we go from there. I'm based in the UK. I ship everywhere, USA, Canada, Australia, anywhere in Europe. I don't ship to Africa. I'm sorry about that. But if you're anywhere in the world, we can always make a way to ship it down to you. And be sure, no hydroquinone, no steroids, no mercury, okay? I care so much about your skin's health and I can't afford to damage it. So thank you for watching once more and I'll see you in my next one. Until then, bye.